Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I intend to show you how to make your own lithovanes. If you like this kind of content and would like to see a video on how to make your own cookie cutters, please consider liking the video or subscribing to the channel. I'd also like to give a big shout out to Lena and Alishka. You guys made some wonderful Easter bunnies, and I'll get those printed for you very soon. With that being done, let's begin. In a new tab, we are going to look for lithophane-maker.com. And this is the site we want. As you can see, it is lithophane-maker.com. And you can see there's a number of different kinds of lithovanes that can be made here. We are going to focus on this one, the flat lithophane maker. We can click on the picture, and it'll take us to a new page. Before we can make a lithovane, we must first have an image. There are two kinds of images that we can use. The first type that we can use is called a JPEG image. As you can see, when I save this picture, it saves as a JPEG image. I will simply change the name of this so that's easier to find in the future. I will simply change the name of this so that's easier to find in the future. The next kind of image that we can use is called a PNG file. For example, if I right-click on this image and click on Save As, we can say that it saves as a PNG file as seen right here. With those downloaded, we can now go back to Lithophane Maker, and we can click here and choose our image. I'm going to use the first image, the JPEG file. Once you've loaded an image in, you can find it by scrolling down the page over here. If you need to change your image, you can simply click on Choose File and choose a new one. So if you've got several you're trying to choose between, you can check them out one at a time like this. Over here, you can change the number of settings of your lithophane. For example, in the frame options, I'm going to change it to no border. This will make us a very simple lithophane. Additionally, we can change the maximum width and height of the lithophane. I recommend a lithophane between a size of 80 by 80 or 100 by 100. You can go a little bit larger, but I don't recommend it. Down here, we also find the X shift, the Y shift, and the rectangle scale. By changing these, we can crop our image in order to remove parts that we don't necessarily want or need. For example, I'm going to change the rectangle scale down to 0.85, and next I'm going to change the X shift and Y shift a little bit. As you can see, I'm bringing the cropping box down a little bit. And I don't think I'm going to touch the X shift at all, actually. The next thing that we need to do is scroll down, and we need to put in our email address here. I have never received an email from Lithophane Maker, and I trust them to give them my email address. After you've done that, you can hit Create STL. After you hit Create STL, a zip file containing your lithophane will be sent to your computer. You can click on it in order to open it. Once you are in the folder, you'll hit Extract All, and then hit Extract. Now in Downloads, you'll be able to find your lithophane. With our lithophane downloaded, we can go into our slicer of choice. In my case, that is Prusa Slicer, and we can click on Add, and in our Downloads folder, we will find the folder that we extracted, and inside of it, our 3D object. Once it loads in, we can see how it looks, and that looks fantastic. I find the best way to print these lithophanes is to lie them down on their back like so. And with that, you have everything you need in order to download and slice your own lithophane. If you'd like this project and would like to see me make more, such as how to make cookie cutters, please consider liking the video and subscribing so that you know when I make that video. Either way, I'm Zeke. That's all for now, and have a great day.